So how do you turn off the sleep on an iPhone? Let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, consider checking out the rest of the channel and perhaps subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up for you. Anyways, the sleep on the iPhone is like more different things. First of all, it might be the sleep focus mode, which might be even scheduled and turn on automatically. You can find it inside of your settings app by scrolling down a little bit more in the focus section. So there are plenty of different focus modes. For example, do not disturb mode or personal. And one of them is also the sleep mode. So you can click on it and then delete it at the bottom entirely if you don't like it. Or you can click on the schedule and either turn off the scheduling, or it's actually much better to adjust it according to your preferences if you plan on using it. So you can choose your bedtime, wake up time, and also customize the alarm option. So there is the sound and volume, snooze, and all of that. So that's like one way of looking at the sleep feature. On the other hand, there is, for example, the sleep timer for your screen. This can be found in the display and brightness menu. So you can find the auto lock feature. So it's the automatic locking of your screen after a certain period of inactivity. So I personally have it set to 5 minutes. I find it to be working really well for me. So do whatever you're gonna do, but that's how you can set it up. And this is where you can find it. So in case there is something else which I did not cover and you wanted to see in this video, let me know about that below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials.